Question 24. In this question we have some graph axes with a triangle drawn in the top left quadrant. Part A says translate the triangle above by the vector 3, 2. So the things that we need to know here are that translate means that you're going to move the triangle somewhere, but it's not going to rotate, it's not going to change size or anything like that. It's just a movement. In the vector 3 minus 2, the other part you also need to know is that the first number is horizontal, so movement horizontal, and the next number is vertical. So moving by a vector 3, 2 means we're going to move 3 units horizontally, so that since it's a positive 3 it's going to be to the right, and then 2 minus 2 movements vertically, which is going to be downwards. So pick a point, move it 3 to the right and 2 down, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and plot it again. Now to make sure you're going to do them all correctly, repeat the same process for every point. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And finally, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Once you've done all these points, you just need to draw your triangle in the new position. Done. Check it doesn't say to label it with any letter. It doesn't in this case, so we're fine. Part B then says we've got 2 triangles this time. One seems to be flipped or rotated or something done to it to change it to the other one. The question says describe fully the single transformation which maps triangle A, which is this one, onto triangle B. Well, in this case you should notice that triangle A has actually been rotated by a half turn or 180 degrees to reach triangle B. We have to describe fully the transformation, and it's worth 3 marks, so we need to be thinking about describing 3 things. The first thing is that we notice it's a rotation, so we can write that down. The second thing is we need to find the point that it's been rotated around. The easiest way to do this is to have a bit of try. Put your pen in one point, so if I try 0, 0, and spin it, spin your whole page, does it get to where it was? Yeah, that looks like what it was originally. So we know the point, the center of rotation is 0, 0. Rotation around 0, 0, and how many degrees is it going to be for the final mark. So it was a half turn, which is 180 degrees. Now, we should also be saying if it's clockwise or anti-clockwise. Since it's 180 degrees, actually either way will get you to the answer. So that's enough.